Children, so it's our exercise time now. You have some exercise in the workbook for lesson 12, simple machines. So let's do the exercise part. Okay, the first exercise in your workbook is tick the correct answer. So here are a few questions and there are two options given by giving slash. So either this or this. So which is the correct answer, you have to tick it. Okay children? Yes. First one. See, can you read the first question? First question. Fuels on burning produce heat/solar energy. When fuels burn, what type of energy we get? They release which energy? When we burn fuels, we get heat energy, isn't it? Solar energy is the energy from the sun. Burning fuels produce heat energy. So you have to tick for heat. Heat is the right answer. Second, a stretched spring is an example of mechanical/elastic force. A stretched spring, which type of force it is? Mechanical or elastic? Yes, it is elastic force. So tick elastic force. Third, we get heat energy from cooler or sun. We get heat energy from, yes, sun gives us heat and light. So we get heat energy from the sun. So tick about the sun. Fourth one, a moving aircraft possesses kinetic potential energy. Which energy? A moving object always possesses, yes, kinetic energy. Moving car, moving aeroplane, all possess kinetic energy. All moving object possess kinetic energy. Fifth one, symbol machines are the symbol/complex tools. Symbol machines are symbol tools or complex tools? Symbol, as the name indicates, symbol machines are, yes, symbol tools only. So put symbol, tick on the symbol. Sixth one, scissors/cranes are the good example of lever. Example for lever, scissors or cranes? Crane is example for wheel and axle. So scissors is the correct example of lever. So put tick mark on scissors, isn't it? Scissors, seesaw, hammer, these are all example for levers. Seventh, the last one, inclined plane/lever is a flat surface with one end higher than the other. What is which simple machine is that? A flat surface with one end higher than the other. That's slope. Which is that? Yes, it is inclined plane. So tick here, inclined plane. It is a flat surface with one end higher than the other. So first one, fuels on burning produce heat energy. A stretched spring is an example of elastic force. Third, we get heat energy from sun. A moving aircraft possesses kinetic energy. Then fifth one, symbol machines are the symbol tools. Sixth one, scissors are the good example of lever. Seventh, the last one, inclined plane is a flat surface with one end higher than the other. Children, so coming to our next exercise in the workbook, exercise 2, Roman 2, fill in the blanks. So you have to fill up the blanks. So first question, there are 7 questions are the first fill up. A push or pull is called, a push or a pull is called, yes, you know. So easy, isn't it? A push or pull is called force, F-O-R-C-E, force. Then second, force can dash down a moving object. So something is moving. So force can stop down a moving object. It can slow down, it can stop a moving object. Okay. Third one, symbol machines use dash force. All symbol machines use which force, children? Yes, symbol machines use mechanical force. M-E-C-H-A-N-I-C-A-L. Mechanical. Symbol machines use mechanical force. Fourth one, dash make our work easy. What makes our work easy? Actually, all machines, simple machines. What makes our work easy? So we can write machine make our work easy. Machine make our work easy. Fifth one, there are many dash, mainly dash simple machines. How many types of simple machines did you learn? Yes, there are mainly 6 types of simple machines. So 6. Now the sixth question, a dash is a simple machine made up of a wheel and a rope. Wheel and a rope is nothing but which simple machine it is? Yes, pulley. P-U-L-L-E-Y, pulley. The last one, the dash is simply a ramp or flat sloping surface. A flat sloping surface is nothing but the inclined plane. I-N-C-L-I-N-E-D, inclined plane, ladder, ramp. These are all examples of the inclined plane. So a push or pull is called force. Force can stop down a moving object. Simple machines use mechanical force. Dash make our work easy. Machine make our work easy. There are mainly 6 simple machines. Then a pulley is a simple machine made up of wheel and a rope. The last one, the inclined plane is simply a ramp or flat sloping surface. Okay. Next exercise in the workbook, children, exercise 3. Give 2 examples for each of the following. You have to write 2 examples for each force or energy that is given. Okay. The first one is gravitational force. Can you give 2 examples for gravitational force, children? Yes, what is gravitational force? Earth attracts all bodies, objects towards it. We are on the ground because of gravitational force. Fruits falling down, a ball throwing up, coming down because of gravitational force. So you can write the same example here. Okay. So you can write falling fruit. Falling fruit is an example of a gravitational force. A ball coming down after throwing up. A ball coming down after throwing up. After throwing up, even if it is ball or any other object comes down. These are the 2 examples of gravitational force. Falling fruit, a ball coming down after throwing up. Now second, frictional force. What is frictional force? Yes, we are able to walk because of friction. We are able to hold objects, able to ride, vehicles stop because of friction. Yes, so stopping of vehicles, we can write stopping of vehicles is an example of frictional force. All vehicles stop because of frictional force. Then stopping of rolling ball, we can write a moving ball. Stopping of rolling ball. A moving ball is stops after some time because of frictional force. So stopping of vehicles, stopping of rolling ball. Now solar energy. Energy from the sun. Solar energy we use for street lights and all. For they use solar electricity to light the streets. So we use it as solar light, and also solar cookers we use for cooking. For heating water we can use solar pan and all. So solar energy, solar hot water. Solar hot water example. Then solar electricity, we say solar electricity. Nowadays in street lights and all they use solar electricity. For cooking we use solar cooker. Okay. Now heat energy. What is heat energy? When we burn fuels we get heat energy, isn't it? So burning, burner of a stove top. Burner of stove top. In kitchen you can see gas cylinder, stove. The burner is the left side where flame is lighting, isn't it? That burner, heat is produced, isn't it? The burner of stove top. Then radiator at home. Radiator used to heat a room, at home. So radiator at home is an example of heat energy. Next, mechanical energy. Mechanical energy, combined of potential and kinetic energy is mechanical energy, isn't it? Yes, so ceiling fan moving because of mechanical energy. So we can write a ceiling fan. C-E-I-L-I-N-G. A ceiling fan moves because of mechanical energy. Motor inside washing machine. Motor inside washing machine is working because of mechanical energy. Moving it is, isn't it? Motor inside washing machine. These are the examples of mechanical energy. So, gravitational force, falling fruit, then a ball coming down after throwing up. It is because of gravitational force. Frictional force, stopping of vehicles, then stopping of rolling ball. Solar energy, solar hot water, solar electricity. Heat energy, burner of stove top, radiator at home. Mechanical energy, a ceiling fan, then motor inside washing machine. Okay? Children, coming to the next exercise in the workbook, exercise 4. Match the following. Column A, column B. Column A, you have some words given 1 to 5, and column B, you have A to E, A, B, C, D, E. You have to match both the words, which is a correct matching. You have to do that. Okay, first one, mug in water tub is an example of what? Sound energy, mechanical energy, electrical energy, buoyant force, heat energy. Mug in the water tub. If you press or push the mug down, you feel a force, opposite force up again. It is nothing but, yes, buoyant force. So mug in a water tub is buoyant force. So you can match 1 with D. Okay, 1 with D. Next, second, radio. Radio, we are hearing something. So sound is coming. So radio is an example of sound energy. Second, you can match to A. Radio, sound energy. Third, sun. Sun is a source of heat and light. So sun, from sun we get which energy? Yes, heat energy. So third one you can match with E, heat energy, sun to E, isn't it? Now fourth one, a cutting of cloth with scissors. With scissors we used to cut cloth. Scissor is a simple machine, isn't it? So what energy we are using there? Simple machines works on mechanical energy. So you can match fourth with B. Fifth one, the last one, washing machine. It works on current, electricity, isn't it? So washing machine, 5 you can match with electrical energy, C. Okay? So mug in a water tub, buoyant force. 1 matches with D. Mug in the water tub, buoyant force. Radio, sound energy. Second one matches with A. Third one, sun is a source of heat. So third one matches with E, heat energy. Sun, heat energy. Fourth one, a cutting of cloth with scissors. Scissors is a simple machine. Simple machines use mechanical energy. So cutting of cloth with scissors, mechanical energy. Fourth one matches with B. The last one, washing machine, works on electricity. So washing machine matches with electrical energy. Okay? Children, so our next exercise, exercise 5, answer the following questions. So you have to answer the questions given. So first one, read out the first question, children. Which is the first question here? Yes, what is a force or what is force? Name the types of forces. What is force? A push or pull is called of an object is called a force. There are different types of force we learned, isn't it? Yeah. So any kind of push or pull is called a force. The types of forces are muscular force, gravitational force, frictional force, elastic force, mechanical force, buoyant force, magnetic force. So a push or pull, any kind of push or pull is called a force. The types of forces are muscular force, gravitational force, frictional force, elastic force, mechanical force, buoyant force and magnetic force. Now second question, coming to the second question, read out the second one, second question. Yes, name the types of energy with examples. Energy we learned, ability to do work. There are different types of energy we learned, isn't it? Yes. First one, solar energy, example sun. Then moving air produce wind energy for electricity, comma, kinetic energy, aircraft, moving aircraft is example for kinetic energy. Potential energy, water stored in a dam, water is storing in a dam, isn't it, to produce electricity. So water in a dam, it is in its position, it is potential energy. Mechanical energy, moving the ceiling fan. Then heating energy, sun, example of heat energy. Then sound energy, TVs, then radio, then electrical energy, washing machine, etc. So these are the different types of energy. Third question, write about two types of force. We learned about different types of force. You can write any two of them. Buoyant force, if we push down a ball floating on a water, we feel an upward thrust. This feel or push is called buoyant force, full stop. Another type of force is elastic force. When we stretch a spring, it increases its length. But when we release it, it regains its original position. This is due to elastic force. So what is force? Name the types of forces. Any kind of push or pull is called a force. The types of forces are muscular force, gravitational force, frictional force, elastic force, mechanical force, buoyant force and magnetic force. Second, name the types of energy with examples. So solar energy, sun. Moving air produce wind energy for electricity. Kinetic energy, aircrafts. Potential energy, water stored in a dam. Mechanical energy, example moving ceiling fan, comma, heat energy, example sun. Then sound energy, example TVs and radios, then electrical energy, washing machine, etc. Now third question, write about two types of forces. Buoyant force, if we push down a ball floating on water, we feel an upward thrust. This feel or push is called buoyant force. Second one, elastic force. When we stretch a spring, it increases its length, but when we release it, it regains to its original position. This is due to elastic force. Children, our next question, coming to the fourth question, for what reasons is a force used? So which are the reasons where we use force? Okay, we know force we need to push an object, move an object, to change the direction, to stop an object, to increase the speed, to lessen the speed, to change the size and shape of an object, isn't it? Yes. So answer, a force is used to move a stationary object, comma, stop a moving object, comma, make a moving object move faster, comma, slow down a moving object, change the direction of a moving object, or change the shape and size of an object. Now coming to the fifth question, which is the fifth question, children. What are the types of symbol machines? So there are 6 types of symbol machines. The 6 types of symbol machines are: first one lever, second pulley, third inclined plane, fourth screw, fifth one wheel and axle, and sixth one wedge. These are the 6 types of symbol machines. So coming to the 6th question, which is the 6th question here. Read. What is a lever? Yes, give 2 examples. So a lever is one of the simplest mechanical devices. One of the simplest mechanical devices, lever. Then a lever consists of a beam or stick or rod, we say. Example, scissors, nutcracker, seesaw, etc. S-E-E-S-A-W, seesaw. Okay. Now 7th question. What is the need of heavy machines in daily life? Why we are using heavy machines in daily life? To make our work easy, to save the time. Or the machines can do heavy work that man cannot do. It is not possible for us to do heavy work. So machines are helping in that. And so heavy machines are useful in daily life because they reduce effort. Our hard work, they reduce it or extend the ability of people to perform tasks beyond the normal capabilities, beyond our normal level. We are not able to do beyond that level. So that level machines can do. They can able to perform big tasks, big work. So for what reason is a force used? Answer: a force is used to move a stationary object, stop a moving object, make a moving object move faster, slow down a moving object, change the direction of a moving object, or change the shape and size of an object. Full stop. Fifth one, what are the types of symbol machines? The 6 types of symbol machines are lever, pulley, inclined plane, screw, wheel and axle, wedge. Now 6th question, what is a lever? Give 2 examples. A lever is one of the simplest mechanical devices. A lever consists of a beam or stick or rod. Examples: scissors, nutcracker, seesaw, etc. Now 7th question, what is the need of heavy machines in daily life? Heavy machines are useful in daily life because they reduce effort or extend the ability of people to perform tasks beyond the normal capabilities. So next question is the 8th question. Okay, what are complex machines? Give 2 examples. A complex machine is a combination of 2 or more simple machines that work together. 2 or more simple machines put up together to form a complex machine. Example: a lever and a wheel and axle are combined to form a cart. To make a cart, we have to combine these 2 simple machines, wheel and axle and lever. Bicycle is a combination of many simple machines. So complex machine is a combination of 2 or more simple machines that work together. Example: wheel and axle and lever to make a combine to form a cart, then a bicycle. 9th question, which is the 9th question here, children. Write about muscular force. Muscular force. The force that is applied by our muscles is called muscular force. When we push, pull or lift anything, we apply muscular force. Last one, last question, 10th question. Draw a diagram showing 3 classes of levers. That is there in your textbook, page number 95 in your course book. You can see the 3 types of levers, or 3 classes of levers and 3 diagrams. First class lever, second class lever and third class lever that we already learned. Load coming between fulcrum coming between load and effort, load coming between fulcrum and effort, effort coming between load and fulcrum. Like the 3 classes of levers we learned. First class lever, second class lever, third class lever. Examples also we learned. So you can see or refer your course book, page number 95, and you have to draw. Okay, children? So what are complex machines? Give 2 examples. A complex machine is a combination of 2 or more simple machines that work together. Example: a lever and a wheel and axle combined to form a cart, a bicycle. 9th one, write about muscular force. The force that is applied by our muscles is called muscular force. When we push, pull or lift anything, we apply muscular force. And the last question is a diagram of 3 classes of levers that you have to refer page number 95 in your course book, and you have to draw these 3 diagrams of 3 classes of levers. First class lever, second class lever and third class lever. Okay, children? Next is horse. What is there in the horse question? You have to think and answer. Okay. Frictional force is called a necessary evil. Why? Frictional force is, we need frictional force. At the same time, it causes some problem. That's why it is called necessary evil. Good at the same time, bad in some cases. Why? Frictional force causes a lot of losses in general, as wear and tear of machinery. Means if we overuse the machines, keep on using the machines, naturally what happens? Damage it causes. So that is one loss that frictional force can create. Okay, so wear and tear of machinery. But basic activities like walking and writing on a surface are possible due to friction. We know we are able to walk, we are able to hold things, we are able to write because of friction. So frictional force is called a necessary evil. Why? Frictional force causes a lot of losses in general as wear and tear of machinery, but basic activities like walking and writing on a surface are possible due to friction. Next, value based question. What the values you have learned from the lesson? Suppose your mom is feeling very weak. She is not able to do the daily routine task. What will you do? Will you help her doing the task? using your energy. Your mother is not well, so daily work what she is doing, she is not able to do for your mother. So will you help your mother, or will you leave it? Leave, oh no, why should I help, I will go and play, like that you will think. Or will you help your mother? Definitely you will help your mother, isn't it? So help your mother to do daily activities, what small work what you can, isn't it? So you have to what will you do? You have to write using your energy, how much of energy you have, using that energy what kind of work you can do to help your mother, that you have to write. Next is project home assignment. Go to nearest mechanic shop with your friends. See there what kinds of machines are used in a bike or a car. Get knowledge about these machines from mechanic, discuss in the class. So you nearest, if you have any mechanic shop, a bike, car mechanic shop, you go there and you with your friends and you see what kinds of machines are used in bike or a car, how they are using, repairing it, with using which machines they are doing, that all you just see, observe and notice it. Okay, then you get the knowledge about that. If you have doubts, you can ask the person over there, what kind of machine is this, what you are doing, what work is this. So you can ask them, and if you get the knowledge from them, then you come to the class and you discuss about that. Okay, so everyone will get different knowledge. Okay, so try to do. So second, observe the given pictures and name the forces. Here we can see 4 images. 4 images are given. See each image and you have to write which force have been used there. Okay, see the first image, children. Which is the first image here? A slingshot, we can say, isn't it? Like a spring. So when we stretch it, it increases its length, and when we release it, regains to its original position. Which force is that? Elastic force. So just write below the image elastic force. Now second, a car is moving. So car is moving, so which force we need for that? To move a car, to move an object, to stop, which force? Yes, frictional force. We need frictional force to move a car or stop a moving car, isn't it? So write frictional force below the image. Third one, you can see in a float on water, something is moving, a floating water, an object is there. If you push the object down, we feel an opposing force. It is that feel or pushes? Yes, it is buoyant force. So third image is buoyant force. B-U-O-Y-A-N-T, buoyant force. Then last images, you can see trees and something is falling down. So fruits falling down, leaves coming down, falling down from the trees because of, yes, gravitational force. So write gravitational force below the image. So you can see 4 images there. Each image is under some force. So you have to write the name of that force below each image. First one is elastic force. Second, frictional force. Third, buoyant force. And fourth one is gravitational force. Okay.